Hey guys, welcome to the channel, For the Barn. My name is Michael, I'm the man who lives inside of the barn. So today what we are looking at is our 5-foot manzanita log lamp. We've got a little set of tools right here, and we have a old lamp that I'm going to be stealing this lampshade canopy from. My plan for that, I want to add this lampshade canopy onto this lamp right here, and I'm going to go into why I'm doing that. And I do know that this task is not the most exciting, so while I'm doing this task, I'm going to be sharing some very exciting news with you guys. And really, this news comes from a friendly push by you guys who have tuned in, who have taken the time out of your day, chose to tune in, watch these videos that I've made, and I just am very much greatly appreciative of you guys. So I do want to say thank you for that. Thank you for the friendly push, the encouragement, which is bringing forward the exciting news I'm about to share with you guys.
So what we'll be doing here is removing this whole section right here, and also this little bracket right here at the bottom. And I'm going to talk about the friendly encouragement that you guys, the viewers, have given me since I've started making these log lamps. When I first started, it was a very fun hobby, and I put it on the channel, and you guys did give me that friendly push for lampshades. You're not trying to just stare at a bulb, so you guys were giving me that push for lampshades. We got lampshades going. I went on to try to sell my lamps at a local flea market. I didn't have any luck with that. And that, you know, wasn't the end of the world by any means, but enough people commented on those videos asking if there was an online store, how they can buy one. I didn't really have an answer. I wanted to take what you guys were saying seriously. You know, I wasn't trying to disregard any of that. And so I did want to push forward and challenge myself, because I am not tech savvy. So I did want to challenge myself with making an online store. Your guys' encouragement motivated me to create an online store for logs to lamps. It's all brand new for me, so it's been a huge learning experience. But you know, only way to do it is, you know, just to do it. So going for it. So with that, I was looking for different websites or whatever just to use. I know there's Etsy, and I did look into Etsy. They have a ton of fees. Basically every single step of the way, there's a fee. I wasn't a big fan of that. I looked into Shopify. There's less fees, so I chose Shopify. So we got the socket removed out of there. So now we should just be able to unscrew all of this stuff, and that should allow us to access this little bracket we need here. So I, off camera, just removed this bottom piece. Took a little bit of tinkering. I got the wire out of there. So we had to take apart that whole lamp for this guy right here. Which brings me to why we're here, why we're changing out this lampshade. I would love to ship this lamp. I would love to have this lamp be on the online store. But when it comes to shipping, I just don't think that lampshade, I want it to be able to be removed. So I'm going to put a lampshade canopy on there just for shipping purposes. So with the online store, there comes a lot of obstacles. I'm not a tech savvy person. Even just having a YouTube channel is pretty challenging. It took me like a full year to figure out how to put music onto videos and figure out like YouTube Studio and all that. But figured it out. So we just have these two wires coming out right here. So I'm just going to remove these two wires from the socket. Okay, socket's removed. So shipping is going to be one of the things that's going to be possibly a trial and error, but I'm going to try to do as much research as I can. USPS seems to be the cheapest route to go for shipping. USPS has a formula for how they figure out their shipping costs. So if I'm able to equate their formula onto my lamps when they're all packaged up, I should be able to have a good estimate on shipping costs. So this is nice here because our threaded rod has that wood putty that's already been dried from when we previously installed this. So I should just be able to add our bracket. I should just be able to add a lock ring. I should just be able to add that nut. All right, so our bracket nice and secure on there. That will allow us to have the lampshade bracket on there, and when we need to, we can remove the lampshade, especially for shipping purposes. So now we have the bottom of the socket, so we're just going to slip that right over the wires. And they provide this tiny little screw here. So this guy just locks the threads in place. So now we can get our wires back onto the socket. We're just going to slip our cover right on. All right, there we have it. Task completed. All right, guys, so what we're looking at here, this is what we're starting off with my inventory. 4 lamps. These are 4 manzanita lamps. I believe that these are the 4 best lamps that I have made, and really they're the only lamps that I've made that I'm comfortable with putting on an online shop. But this is what I'm going to be starting off with now that I've got a lamp canopy on the 5-foot manzanita lamp there. That guy's ready for shipping. So it's all going to be test runs. I mean, for the first, I don't know, however long, maybe month, maybe 2. I'm just going to kind of go with it, learn what I can as I go. And, you know, again, guys, just really thank you again for the encouragement. If I did not have a YouTube channel, I do not think I would at all be in this position where I could be trying to push these log lamps online to the public. YouTube has definitely been a big push as far as, like, you know, the craft goes and all that. So guys, thank you again. Thank you so much for giving me that friendly push. It was very much needed. I personally needed it for myself. You know, sometimes you just need something, and this definitely was that something that I felt has been fulfilling for me. I won't call it filling a need. It's been very fulfilling for me. So thank you guys. I really have you guys to thank for that. And I'll leave all the info for what I've set up as far as the Shopify and all that stuff. It's in the works, it's in progress, but it's open. You know, it's open, it's live, it's active. So it's very basic right now. I'm still trying to build it. I'm still kind of trying to learn. We'll get there, you know, day by day. We'll get there. So thank you again, guys. I hope you have a great day. If you've stuck around this far, thank you for tuning in. And we'll see you on the next one.